adoption story. 5.5 years ago, I adopted my puppy named Tubby. He is a pointer chow mix, and he is the best thing that has ever happened to me. I went to the kennel one day because I wanted a puppy, and there he was staring at me. So I got him and I took him home, and he has changed my life so much. I can't even explain to you how much my life has changed because of him. Important to make connections, not only in our own personal social world, but also in the business world. We need to look up information about certain things so that we know what kind of questions to ask, so that we can make phone calls, and so that we can send emails, so that we can get information from these companies telling us what we want to know.